in Cowra to take you far away. For your dear old parents you must leave behind. Go seek your fortune, darling, in that land beyond the sea. For in Paddy's land there's poverty you'll find. These were the words my father said when I left Ireland, and the sad farewell is in my memory still. So I packed my bundle on me back and I left forevermore the little old mud cabin on the hill. The roof was thatched with yellow straw, the walls were white as snow. The turf I boils, the pot I see it still. For old Ireland's graven on me heart, the place where I was born, in that little old mud cabin on the hill. I think I see the turf fire, it attracts my father's gaze, and my dear old mother sitting by his side. His pipe is lit, the smoke ascends, he's thinking of the time that took his darling boy beyond the tide. No more I'll join the merry dance upon the cabin floor, to music of the bagpipes loud and shrill. No more I'll see the happy times I spent in days of yore.